a very unfortunate season. I think the whole country is really under siege with the resurgence of the COVID-19.
Bangaphezu kwesigidi abantu bakulelizwe abahaqwe isifo iCovid-19 kusukela ngoNdasa nonyaka ngeshwa ababalelwa izinkulungwane ezingama-20 abantu asebesishiyile ngenxa yalesifo. Amaqembu ezombusazwe azokalisa ukukhathazeka ngalezi balo ase enxusa izakhamuzi ukuthi zithobele imigomo yezempilo ebekiwe.
We now call on you to work with us, to work with healthcare workers throughout the country, to work with the government to make sure that we do not spread the coronavirus any further.
It is becoming very clear that the rising numbers of infections, new infections, and the fatalities across the country are putting an unprecedented pressure on the health system.
This is a warning sign to the people of South Africa. People must know that coronavirus is real. Coronavirus kills people.
Ngakolunye uhlangothi iFreedom Front Plus yamangalela uhulumeni ngenxa yemigomo ye-lockdown ngoNhlaba ithi ayihambisani nemigomo emisha eyayibekiwe.
We are totally against new restrictions in terms of a lockdown, but we do say that people have to comply with health protocols. And the task of the government is to ensure that the health facilities can cope with the situation and that they can enforce the health protocols.
Sekuneziphakamiso ezithi uhulumeni asungule imigomo eqinile ezokwenza ukuthi lehle ngamandla leligciwane kuphinde kwehle nengcindezi kwezempilo.